Hello aspiring electrical engineers! Today, tuturuan ko kayo at mag-share ako ng tips kung paano sagutan ang 1001 Solved Problems in Electrical Engineering ni Romeo A. Rojas Jr. Go. Para sa unang chapter, or yung electricity, basic principles, meron tayong tatlong fundamentals na dapat tandaan. Ang voltage, ang ampere, at ang resistance. Ang voltage ay tinatawag din na potential difference or electromotive force. At ang kanyang unit ay volt. Ito ang difference between the electric potential at 2 points in a circuit. Ito din ang force that required to keep electrons in motion, and it converts chemical or any other form of energy into electric energy. Ang unit ng potential difference and electromotive force is volt. Ang 1 volt ay equivalent sa 1 joule per coulomb and 1 Weber per second. Para mahanap ang voltage, ito ay work over charge or Q. Pero meron din siyang ibang formula na gagamitin pagdating natin sa Ohm's law. Ang second ay ang ampere or ang electric current. Ang isang ampere ay equivalent sa isang coulomb over seconds. When a potential difference between two charges forces a third charge to move, the change in motion is called electric current. Ang ikatlo naman ay ang resistance or ohm, na ipinangalan kay George Simon Ohm na isang German. Ito ay isang opposition to the flow of electric current. Ang unit ng resistance ay ohm. At ito ang mga formula para makuha ang resistance. Resistivity times length over area. Resistivity times volume over square area. At resistivity length squared over volume. So para sa ating problem number 1, a positively charged dielectric has a charge of 2 coulombs. If 2.5 times 10 raised to 18 free electrons are added to it, what will be the net charge on the said dielectric? So, nga hanapin natin yung net total, which is Q1 plus Q2. Pero bago yun, kailangan muna nating i-convert itong charge natin into coulomb. So, we all know that there are 6.25 times 10 raised to 18 electrons in 1 coulomb. And since it is electrons, it is negative. So, lalagyan natin siya ng negative sa una. Makukuha natin na ang Q2 ay equal sa negative 2 coulomb. Substitute. 2 plus negative 2. The answer is 0. Or letter D. Problem 2. A battery can deliver 10 joules of energy to move 5 coulombs of charge. So, ang work natin ay 10 joules and ang charge natin ay 5 coulombs. What is the potential difference between the terminals of the battery? So, ang hinahanap ay ang potential difference or E. As we tackle kanina, ang formula para makuha ang potential difference or electromotive force is work over charge. So, isa-substitute natin ito. W10 Q, 5. The answer is 2. And the unit for electromotive force or potential difference is V for volts. So, as sa choices, A 2 volts, B 50 volts, C 0.5 volts, D 5 volts. The correct answer is letter A. Problem 3. A cloud of 2.5 times 10 raised to 19 electrons. So, ang Q natin ay 2.5 times 10 raised to 19 electrons. Move past a given point every 2 seconds. Time natin ay 2 seconds. How much is the intensity of the electron flow? Intensity of the electron flow is also equivalent to the current. So, we are looking for the current. A unit of electric current which is equal to 1 coulomb per second. So, ibig sabihin, itong charge natin from electron, ko-convert natin siya into coulomb. Q is equals to 2.5 times 10 raised to 19 times, there are 6.25 times 10 raised to 18 electrons in 1 coulomb. So, 2.5 times 10 raised to 19 over 6.25 times 10 raised to 18. The answer is 4. 4 coulomb. And substituting this to this formula, I is equals to Q over time, 4 coulomb over T, 2 seconds is equals to 2 coulomb per seconds, or 2 ampere. From the choices, 2 ampere is letter B. Box. The current in an electric lamp is 5 amperes. Current, 5 amperes. What quantity of electricity flows towards the filament in 6 minutes? So, time natin ay 6 minutes. So, ang hinahanap natin ay ang Q, or quantity of electricity flows. So, from kanina, laruin lang natin yung formula na I is equals to Q times time over time, or coulomb per seconds. Since ang hinahanap natin ay Q, ang magiging formula natin ngayon ay Q is equals to current times time. But before that, let us convert time into seconds kasi naka-minutes siya. So, time is equals to 6 minutes times. So, in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So, ang time natin ay 6 times 60, 360. So, substituting into this formula, Q I times T, I natin ay 5 times 360 is equals to 1,800 coulomb. From the choices, 1,800 coulomb is letter D. Problem 5. A constant current of 4 ampere I is equal to 4 ampere charges a capacitor. How long will it take to accumulate a total charge of 8 coulombs on the plate? So, ang tanong, how long? So, ang tinatanong sa atin ay time in seconds. So, laruin lang ulit natin yung formula. I is equals to Q over T. Ang hinahanap sa atin ay T. So, T is equals to Q over I. Ang Q natin ay 8 coulomb. Ang I natin ay 4 ampere. So, ang T natin ay 8 over 4 is equals to 2 seconds. So, from the choices, letter A, 2 seconds is the correct answer.